What is the Klingons' afterlife called? Is it A. Valhalla, B. New Jersey, C. Sto-vo-kor, or D. Karanguk? The answer is C. Sto-vo-kor. Which author co-wrote the Communist Manifesto alongside Karl Marx? Is it A. Friedrich Engels, B. Robert Owen, C. Paul Lafargue, or D. Alexander Kerensky? The answer is A. Friedrich Engels. In the Archie comics, who was Jughead's first girlfriend? Is it A. Ethel, B. Margaret, C. Debbie, or D. Joanne? The answer is D. Joanne. What magic? The Gathering card's flavor text is just Ribbit. Is it A. Bloated toad, B. Frogmite, C. Spore frog, or D. Turn to frog? The answer is D. Turn to frog. Before 2016, in which other year did Donald Trump run for president? Is it A. 2000, B. 2012, C. 1988, or D. 2008? The answer is A. 2000. The Kākāpō is a large, flightless, nocturnal parrot native to which country? Is it A. Australia, B. South Africa, C. New Zealand, or D. Madagascar? The answer is C. New Zealand.